So, like, how does someone find you? I mean, obviously, like, you're doing something that most ads or most people don't even understand the comprehension of what we're really talking about. But I think that we made it kind of simple enough to kind of realize. Imagine a user making one click versus three or four clicks. So that's a completely different conversion factor. How does someone get in contact with you? Where do they find you on social media, or what website should we send them to?
So they can go to bannerwave.com. There's only so much work we can show on our website because a lot of it is under NDA. So, if there's something that's where someone is interested in, contact us directly. You could contact me at cj@bannerwave.com. And then also just on top of that, right now, we just like to offer your listeners a 50% off our campaign enhancement workshop, which essentially what we do is we'll conduct an in-depth audit of current or upcoming campaigns and provide recommendations for increasing the performance engagement of the campaigns by 200 to 300% out the gate.
Mhm.
So, it's like reviewing their strategy, ad creatives, execution tactics, and performance metrics to provide, actionable plan for maximizing the media buy.